Yeah, so when we're digging this hole, we want some nice kind of sloping sides, and we want to try to mark it up a little bit. And we're gonna get somebody over here who feels like getting close to this tree, because it's gonna need a little bit of love. You're gonna want to tease these roots out of here. Just get in there, tease it up a little.
Nice.
Give it some love. You guys aren't gonna cheer him on? Kind of, just like your skin needs to breathe, so does the skin of this tree or the bark. So these little dots, they're up and down here. They're the lenticels where gaseous exchange is going through, so it's breathing, taking in carbon dioxide, kicking out some oxygen, you know, for us all to breathe. It's not too cool to plant a tree.
Oh, that's sweet.
Nice love.
There you
Yeah,
go.
good job, man.
Nice.
So we want to make sure she's growing nice and upright, and we want to make sure we get the base of the trees level.